Hey folks, so I purchased a 6-pound bag of neem cake off Amazon, and in the description it showed it like pre-packaged with a label and everything, but what they sent me was just they purchased them in large quantities and put them in smaller bags, weighed them out, even though the label said 6 pounds. Well, I'm not sure why, but it was a good price compared to other ones I saw, and I watched a video on YouTube where somebody swore by neem cake as a method to completely be gnat-free. I did use mosquito bits where I had them in a jug of water, and you can see like residue, I drained it out, and it did reduce the gnats along with using the apple cider vinegar with a little bit of dish soap. And a year and a half ago, I had a gnat issue in my previous apartment, and I was able to get rid of them. But in this new apartment, gnats just like flying in the door. I looked outside last summer, and there were like gnats swarming. And with that and having more plants, it's been harder to eradicate them, especially being right now this apartment's on the fringe between zone 8 and 7, that is pretty mild for the winter this year as well, so I haven't been able to completely stop the gnats because you tackle them, but then more can fly in and start breeding. But the mosquito bits did help, but what I'm going to do is use neem cake this time. So I'm just going to make a small opening, and I'm going to put, this is like a gallon jug, it had milk in it. I saved it because it had the screw top, and I'm going to put a little bit. The guy on YouTube that I watched recommended 2 to 3 spoons per gallon, and I'm just going to eyeball this. Okay, this should suffice. So now I can go and fill this up with water. And what I want to do is let this sit for a few hours, but not over a day, so it doesn't start really stinking. And then I'll just use this from now on to water the plants. And this should get rid of the gnats completely. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and since that guy shared it, I'm going to put a link below for you guys to enjoy if you want to watch his video on it. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!